Stop scrolling. If you feel lazy, unmotivated, or stuck, you're about to learn something that will change your entire life. Because what you're about to hear is not another work harder lecture. This is something different, something no one tells lazy people, but everyone should. Today, I want to talk to a very special group of people. People who know the power of sleep. People who respect their bed more than their goals. People whose dreams are huge, but whose laziness is even bigger. Yes, I'm talking to you, the lazy ones, the procrastinators, the I'll start tomorrow gang, the 5 more minutes experts, the I was just about to do it professionals. But listen very carefully, because today I'm going to reveal something that no motivational speaker will ever tell you. Lazy people have a secret weapon, a superpower, a gift, a hidden strength that nobody talks about. And if you learn how to use it, your laziness will not destroy your future. It will help you build it. Let's be honest for a moment. Lazy people are not actually lazy. Lazy people are easily distracted, easily overwhelmed, easily bored. Experts at saving energy, masters of comfort, champions of avoiding stress. And here's the funniest part. Lazy people often have huge dreams, just not the energy to chase them. They want success, but they also want to lie down. They want greatness, but they also want a nap. But the good news is, you're not hopeless, you're not broken, you're not weak. You just need the right method. Because lazy people don't need more motivation. They need a different type of motivation, a smarter one, a lighter one, a system built for lazy minds, not against them. So what exactly is this secret weapon lazy people have? Here it is. Lazy people are masters at avoiding effort. And you might be thinking, how is that a weapon? But think about it. If you can avoid effort so naturally, you can also avoid the things that destroy your growth. Bad habits, distractions, toxic people, unnecessary stress, time-wasting routines. You just need to flip the direction. Lazy people always want the easiest way, so give your brain the easiest path to success. Lazy people want shortcuts, so give yourself shortcuts that actually help you. Lazy people hate hard work, so make the work so ridiculously easy that your brain can't say no. That's your secret weapon. You can achieve big results with minimum effort if your strategy is smart. Lazy people are not weak, they're efficient. They save energy, they simplify things, they don't overcomplicate success, they just avoid the parts that feel too hard. And that is something you can use to win. Here's the real reason lazy people struggle. Tasks look too big, goals feel impossible. You don't know where to start. You get bored too quickly. You think you need 100% energy before doing anything. You fear failing even before starting, and that creates the loop. Big task feels scary, you avoid it, you feel guilty, you feel lazy, repeat. But the moment you break big tasks into tiny, lazy-friendly steps, everything changes. Your brain suddenly says, "Oh, that's not hard, I can do that." And that is the beginning of momentum. Here's the formula that can change your life. Whenever you need to do something important, tell yourself, I will do it for just 3 minutes. Not an hour, not 30 minutes, just 3. Lazy minds don't fear small actions. 3 minutes is too small to reject. But here's the magic. Once you start, your brain enters momentum mode. It says, well, since we already started, might as well continue. This is how lazy people win. This is how lazy people trick their own brain. This is how lazy people break the cycle. Start small, start tiny, start laughing how easy it is, and keep going. Lazy people hate 2 things more than anything, pressure and perfection, so remove them both from your life. Stop expecting perfect routines. Stop expecting perfect motivation. Stop expecting perfect days. Lazy people succeed when things feel fun, light, simple, low pressure. Instead of thinking, I must study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for 3 minutes. Instead of thinking, I need to go to the gym, say, I'll just put on my shoes. Instead of thinking, I must change my entire life, say, I'll change one small thing today. Tiny actions, huge results. That's the lazy way. Lazy people have limited energy, so instead of wasting that energy feeling guilty, use it wisely. Put your energy into the smallest step, the easiest action, the simplest version of your goal. Stop wasting energy telling yourself, I'm lazy, I'll start tomorrow, I don't feel like it. These thoughts drain your battery before you even begin. Instead say, I'll do the smallest version, that's enough. You don't need motivation, you need a starting point. And believe it or not, many successful people were lazy at first. They didn't like effort, they didn't like hard work, but they loved efficiency. They found systems that required minimum effort but gave them maximum results. Lazy people are geniuses at shortcuts, and shortcuts work when you use them wisely. Success is not about working the hardest, it's about working the smartest. It's about being consistent, not perfect. And lazy people can be incredibly consistent when the steps are small enough. From today, stop calling yourself lazy. Call yourself energy efficient. Call yourself a momentum builder. Call yourself a small step achiever. Call yourself someone who grows one small step at a time. Because identity shapes action. And when you stop seeing yourself as a failure and start seeing yourself as someone who grows one small step at a time, everything changes. Lazy people actually have 5 superpowers: shortcut thinking, energy conservation, quick decisions, simple solutions, efficiency over effort. These are not weaknesses, these are strengths if you use them correctly. So, here's your assignment today. Pick one thing you've been avoiding, just one. Now, do the smallest version of it. Not the full task, not the perfect version, just the beginner version. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, even 30 seconds. Because once you start, your new identity begins, and your old, lazy identity starts to fade away. Being lazy doesn't mean you can't succeed. It means you need a different strategy, a simpler path, a lighter path, a smarter path. Your laziness is not your enemy, it's your potential. It's your unique style of winning. Use it. You don't need big energy, you just need small beginnings. Start small, start now, start today as the most unstoppable lazy person on this planet. Now, before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the one small action you're starting today? Your comment might inspire someone else here. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button. It tells me to make more videos for you. Share this with a friend who says, I'm lazy, but secretly wants to level up. And if you want honest, simple daily motivation, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. All right, go take that first tiny step. I'm proud of you already.